Let's add a couple of transactions manually. From the menu, I click on Add Transactions. From the Add Transaction option, I click on Add Transactions manually. I choose the day of my transaction, the transaction type, the category, the amount, and if you like, the description. From here you can save and add other transactions, or you can save and close. Let's save and add. Let's add an income transaction. Let's say it's interest income. It's a small transaction of $20. Let's call it bank interest income. Now I will save and close. And that's how you can simply add any transaction manually. Always remember to select the right account before you add any transaction. If you need to connect a new account, you can do so here. For instructions to connecting a new bank account, please refer to the Connect Your Bank Account video.